Speech. Una-una magandang hapon sa inyo lahat.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon. Happy first anniversary. Many more to come. Maraming salamat po, not just for your love and support, but for being with us through our journey na rin, I guess, the past year and a half that we've been working together, almost 2 years na rin that we've been working together. Maraming salamat. Imagine mo, di ba nakabuo ng mga, friendships, yung friendships nila, even from other countries, may mga so, gusto namin malaman yun na ramdam namin. Walang araw na hindi nadaan talaga na hindi namin nababasa yung comments ninyo, hindi namin nakikita yung mga posts ninyo. So thank you, not just for the support, for yung mga tweets, nag-attend kami, even yung MHL pa lang, but yung for the love talaga and for the support. Kasi nararamdaman namin, lalo pag pinagtatanggol ninyo kami sa mga yung bedya, yun. Pero super thank you talaga. Sana mas makilala pa namin kayo ng gusto. Pagbubutihin pa namin ang trabaho namin. Pakikilihin pa namin kayo.